Model CP27 High Performance Finishing Lathe. Cyclomatic, 15 years of professional manufacturing experience of high precision lathes in Taiwan. The spindle is mounted in high precision preloaded ball bearings, eliminating radial and end play. Available in taper or threaded spindle nose. The spindle nose accommodates a 6-inch chuck or 5C collets using a fast lever collet closer. Spindle speeds are 750, 1800, and 3000 RPM using a V-belt 3-step pulley system. Quick change spindle speeds are made by moving the motor pulley handle to the belt release position. Change the belt to desired step and move the handle to belt tight position. The on-off switch control is easy and fast to operate. Off position shuts off the electric motor and engages the electric brake, stopping the spindle. To release the brake, push the spindle free button. The bedway is solid hardened and ground steel with a precision straight edge for aligning and anchoring attachments. Compact and accurate minimal floor space is required. Can be used as a small high-speed lathe, also perfect for finishing backside or cut-off side of parts being machined on CNC lathes. Cyclomatic for high speed, high accuracy, high performance.